In this video we're going to replace the air filter on this Audi A6. First thing we do is remove the hose clamp holding the intake pipe on. Then we're going to remove the mass airflow sensor connector. This connector is a little bit awkward. There's a grey tab on the back. You need to pull this way and then push in. To open that connector you need to pull this grey tab back with your nails. Then it lets you push it in and pull the connector out. Move that wire out of the way and pull the hose off. To remove the air filter, there's a tab on the bottom of this circle. You push it down and then rotate this just a couple of degrees, and then you can take out the filter. It's a cylindrical filter in these, not a traditional panel filter. And then we can pull that filter off. We can now install our new air filter. It seats onto this ring and is held in place by these tabs around the outside. So push it on, it goes on about 10 mil, and then we can put it into place. It's a good idea to clean out your airbox with vacuum cleaner or blow it out the air compressor. I've already done it off camera. So it goes back in the same orientation. Our tab is towards the bottom. Our mass airflow sensor is pointing at that red positive terminal there. So it clicks into place. You can't undo it. We'll put our clamp back on. And our connector. And remember to click that grey tab back into place. That's that finished. Hope it's helpful.